Hello doers now sometimes producing a product leads to the creation of others. Products as part of the manufacturing byproducts, and they can be sold, they can be recycled, or they could also be considered waste now in any case. Byproducts will share part of the main product's cost of production, now there. Can also be more than one byproduct in a bill of materials or BOM, as I like to call it now. This can be useful, especially when you want to set up your BOM to produce several products at once. Now I'm feeling pretty hyped up about this. Let me show you some byproducts and let's demonstrate how to set up products in Odoo with a simple example product that I already have configured. Alright, Odooers, now the very first configurations. So first we actually need to activate the byproducts option in the manufacturing application by going over here into configuration settings, and you guessed it out, doers, we're checking that byproducts little box right there now. Next, we'll make sure the example product is configured correctly, so we're actually going to go back over here to products and we're going to click over here to our small tabletop as I told you before. Now for the final product, that small tabletop, the manufacturer root should be enabled under the inventory tab. So we're going to make sure that now for our component, which is over here, is the wood panel, we need to have a cost set right here to ensure accurate cost analysis reporting for them. Production process. If you don't do that, you won't actually know how much stuff costs, and that's kind of bad. And then you can see here, finally we have the option to set a sales price for wood waste if we want to resell it, because you should really try to fully optimize yourself, hero doers. Now once we're done there, we also want to confirm that work center costs have been configured, just as this is another thing that you want to keep track of. It's just another value that gets taken into account for the cost analysis. So to do so, it's over here in configuration and work centers. Now as you can see here, the cost per hour in this case for both work centers is set at $40. Now this is the set amount it costs to operate the work